What's it like doing this with a dog? Well, when you make it a quarter of the mile down a trail and the dog decides to take a dump, and you have to pick it up, you don't want to carry the poop with you the rest of the time. So I guess he gets to go back, throw it away, and then try to catch up with everybody. This guy. I'm Chris.
And I'm Laura.
And in March of 2021, we sold everything we owned and moved into a camper so we could travel the country with our two boys and our puppy Huck. So we are in Saguaro National Park in Tucson. I actually went to school here for like 3 semesters, about a year and a half. And I don't know if this was designated a national park when I was here. I don't remember that. But stuff like this really wasn't a priority at the time either. You know, everybody kind of has things that they didn't appreciate in their past, and this type of area with these amazing cacti and just the landscape and the mountains and stuff is definitely something I did not appreciate enough when I was here. So it's cool to come back with a little bit more perspective and see all of it, and bring the family too. We're at Lake Pleasant, Arizona. I think we found the tightest campground we could. It was a squeeze. Look. So it's really beautiful here. The lake's pretty awesome. 2 nights ago, the night before last, ate some spaghetti. 1 a.m. Cash started screaming. We go in there and it's coming out both ends. Just a shit show, literally. It was terrible. And I think I caught whatever he had. I feel terrible. But there's worse places to feel terrible. As soon as we pulled in and got unhooked and everything, the fireworks started. And then shortly after, Laura and Weston got it. So our first day at Lake Pleasant was just trying to get everybody to the toilet or to the trash can in time. It was miserable. So we got one more full day here. We're gonna try to make the most of it somehow. I don't know what we're gonna do. And then go to Phoenix to get our solar installed. Yay. There's Mommy. She finally got in the water a little bit. Hopefully feeling a little better. Your tummy still bothering you? So we got back to Phoenix, actually out in Buckeye. And everybody seems to be feeling a little bit better. But Weston, not so much. He's had about, I think, half a cracker. That's all he's had to eat for the last 2 days. So hopefully he starts to feel a little bit better. Alright, day 2 in Phoenix. Installing some solar panels. Pretty cool place here. It's giant. I think I counted like, God, how many did I count? I think I counted 500 RV spots at, I don't know, anywhere between $30 to $50 a night. You do the math. They're crushing it. But pretty cool place. We just spent an hour or so at the pool. Had a good time. The one good thing about the hot weather in April is you get to go swimming kind of early in the year. But we're still ready to get up in the mountains and cool off a little bit. So I'll let you know how the solar goes. All right, up here on the roof. So day 2 of our solar install. Actually day 3. We had a guy come out and complicated mess, but we wanted RV Solar Concepts to do this install. We had some scheduling conflicts. We found a guy with a good reputation and really good reviews, and we decided to give him a shot. And the first day did not go very well. Just reviewing his work after he left after the first day, just wasn't super comfortable with some of the stuff. You know, using electrical tape instead of shrink wrap. You know, using, you know, twist lock wire nuts. Yeah, just not great. So I sent the work back to RV Solar Concepts and to get a second opinion, and they felt so bad that they weren't able to get us in, and they felt that, and then they felt uncomfortable with us leaving with the work. So they actually removed their whole schedule, and he came out to finish it up today. So before, this was just a tangled mess of random wires. Not random, but it was just messy. You can still see the goop where he just like had kind of glued the wires to the roof, which is kind of unheard of. So Nick was able to clean all that up, make it real clean looking. I'll show you the rest of it. All right, so kind of the same thing. This was just a tangled mess of different gauge wires and whatnot. So Nick was able to come in here and clean this up, put all 4/0 wire on the batteries, get the shunt cleaned up and connected correctly, and the fuse cleaned up correctly. So just way better all around. So just can't thank Nick and RV Solar Concepts enough. They're the best.
Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment. I don't know, what am I supposed to say?
It's perfect.